Hi class, already at week 3. These are the things we'll be concentrating on as far as your performance objectives this week. And if you go down, I have some interactive links here. One of them is to the main textbook, although there'll be readings every week from all over the place, but there'll always be interactive links like this. The most important one this week is active reading because you're going to be doing an active reading exercise in groups. And for the next couple weeks, we're going to be reading to figure out other people's arguments, right? The first half of the class is recognizing what other people are arguing. And after your narrative essay, you're going to look at somebody else's persuasive message and see how you can recognize the strength of other people's arguments, and then you're going to build your own at the end. So exciting stuff going on. Remember that if you just click on this will bring you to the interactive links. A lot of these chapters I'm using are short but packed with important things, right? And one of the most important things you'll have to learn in this class or any writing class is good reading is good writing. Good reading is good writing. The more you read, the more you become accustomed to writing in a certain manner. Now, if students ask me all the time, how can I get really good real quick? Well, why don't you click on this, open up a notebook, and copy word for word without missing one period, one comma, one hyphen, all the way down, right? And do not miss any punctuation. If you do that 20 minutes a day, every day, you will be a better writer in no time. So just a little side note there. All right, so you're going to be getting into groups. I will send out another video like this to explain. But remember, Monday, active reading, chapter 2. Tuesday, your plans due. The office hour, 11:30 a.m. Come on in. And then Wednesday, in groups, you're going to be reading 4 essays and splitting up the questions. And then Sunday, all this is due. Okay.